Well, from the outdoors to the indoors next, with plenty of people either schooling or working from home, what can you do if you need additional computers but can't afford them? Well, turns out there are some cost-effective solutions. Tech expert Marc Saltzman has some ideas.
You're not alone if you've been faced with this dilemma. The kids are now schooling from home, if not partially. Many parents are now working from home, and everyone needs their own computer to get their work done. Yet, ironically, budgets may be tighter in 2020. So how could you afford a new PC or Mac for everyone in the home? Well, there are a couple of solutions out there, some alternatives and workarounds, so let's get to them, beginning with Chromebook. If you don't need a lot of power or storage, which might be the case for students, as a lot of the work is done online or in the cloud, perhaps buy a computer that runs on Google's Chrome operating system, as it will cost a lot less, on average, than a Windows PC or Mac. For example, this is the Chromebook Duet from Lenovo. It's only about $350, and it's one of the world's lightest and thinnest Chromebooks. As you can see, it's a 2-in-1 detachable device that easily switches from a 10.1-inch tablet into a laptop with kickstand, keyboard, and trackpad. It boots up in as fast as 8 seconds, so you can get to your schoolwork quickly, and with battery life that tops 10 hours. And after your work is done, the Chromebook Duet is great for watching movies and YouTube and playing games on its touchscreen. So the first tip to saving money when buying a new computer is to consider a Chromebook. Secondly, you might consider an open box or floor model of a laptop with a trusted retailer, but there's a caveat. If you must, buying an open box computer is another way to go, but only do so from a retailer that offers a decent warranty in case anything goes wrong. The problem with buying over an online classified site from a stranger is you won't likely hear back from the seller if there's an issue. At last check, Best Buy had more than 150 open box laptops for sale, some online and some in store, for as low as $319. Most are Windows-based and some are Chromebooks. And look for where it says it's been thoroughly tested and certified by a Geek Squad agent and includes a full warranty, and that it qualifies for Best Buy's no-hassle return policy. Keep in mind, open box means the item was returned to the store for some reason, while refurbished means the item was repaired before it was resold. So new or open box is always better than refurbished. But for either decision, make sure you get a good warranty if you go down that path. All right, the third way to save money if you need a new computer in the home is to take a device you already have, like a smartphone or tablet, and with the help of an accessory, turn it into a laptop of sorts. Why not pick up an inexpensive Bluetooth keyboard? Logitech, for example, has several wireless keyboards for as low as $30. The K380 multi-device Bluetooth keyboard, for about $50, is a minimalist keyboard for computers, tablets, and phones, and available in multiple colors like rose, off-white, or graphite. This keyboard works with Android, iOS, for iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch, Windows, Mac, Chrome OS, and Apple TV. A wireless keyboard paired with a smartphone or tablet should work well for basic tasks, like word processing, web browsing, spreadsheets, and presentations. Just be aware you'll be working on a much smaller screen, which can make multitasking a little difficult. You could also pick up a wireless mouse as well to make it really feel like a laptop. A couple of other considerations for those who need a new computer but can't afford one right now is to ask a family member or friend to lend you a device, at least until the end of the school year, perhaps. Or make an offer to buy a second-hand computer that they're not using. Also, while not as convenient, remember your local library has communal PCs that you can use. You may need to reserve the time in advance. And be sure to wipe down the mouse and keyboard and other surface areas before and after you're done. Well, as you can see, there are a few options for getting a new device in your home without breaking the bank. I'm Marc Saltzman.